work, you need to hold this nut and undo this valve with the valve open, because underneath this stem is a little tiny ball bearing and a tungsten carbide seat. Exactly the same as what I showed you here. It's a tungsten carbide seat and a little ball bearing. That is the same, so that's all that's in there. So if that's not working, you'll need to hold that nut and undo this, and you'll find that there's a little ball bearing in there. It's on the end of the stem of this rod. There's a tungsten carbide seat, and underneath that tungsten carbide seat is a nylon sealing ring which goes in the bottom. So if at any stage this doesn't work, remove this whole body with this undone. Now, when you reinstate this, just make sure that you have this loose, because if you tighten this up and then wind it in, you'll squash the ball into the seat and bust the seat. So you must have that open. So to ensure that we've done this properly, we know that the filter cavity is clean, we know that the cylinder cavity is clean, all our exhaust ports are clean, the threads are clean. If that doesn't work, remove it, repair it as I just mentioned. Make sure that this seal here for the taper of the connecting hose is nice and clean and concentric, and it is, so we're all happy with that. A little bit more anti-seize on this one here, like so. Probably a tad of anti-seize on this thread here to make sure that it's easy to reassemble. Now our pump is ready to be put back on the machine.